Hello everyone, this is Rohini from Brolly Academy. I've recently joined Brolly Academy and based on the topics we have covered, I have done a project on Python. Let me show you what I have done. Initially, I'll explain what my idea is. My idea is restaurant reservation. It means whenever you are going to a restaurant, the reception team will be there, no? Based on the number of seats in the restaurant. Suppose if there are 20 seats in a restaurant, already filled seats are 17 and you want to make a reservation for 4 members, you cannot make it. If there are 20 seats and you want to make a reservation for one or two, you can make it, or based on the criteria, you can make the reservation. Initially, I'll show you how the application works, then I'll go to the code. So this is how the application looks. Let me show you how it works and we'll go for the code. We are making a reservation for any customer. We are giving some phone number of guests by that customer. Let us take 4 and it will get reserved. This 5th one is the reservation we made now. If you want to delete the reservation, we can delete. Or if you want to check out the reservation, we can just check out. Check out means just exited from the reservation or the restaurant that you reached. Let us take another reservation. Here, number of seats left are 13. Now we are giving number of customer count or guest count is 13. Or let us give 14 and go for reserve. It will not get reserved because our requirement is more than the seats left. Number of guests we have is 14, but the seats left are only 13. It will show you number of seats left so that number of guests can come according to the seats left. Let me explain you logic in the code. The basic things in our application is number of guests. Suppose let us take guest limit. Guest limit in the sense how many people can seating arranged in our restaurant. Suppose guest limit is only 20 and reserved guests, already reserved guests are 17 and now you want to make a reservation for 3 people. Here, the condition is restaurant guest count should be greater than 0 and it should be less than limit. This required guest limit. It should be less than the guest limit. Suppose we are making a request for 3 members. It is greater than 0 obviously, and here 17 is already filled. So what we will do is 20 minus 17, 3. So now 3 members can go into a restaurant. 3 members reservation can be made in a restaurant. So our required guest rate is okay with this condition. So that will print the statement. So your reservation will be booked. If we need booking for 4 or 5 members, suppose we need booking for 4 members. Obviously it is greater than 0, but it is less than 3. So it will not reserve a table for that guest. It will give your reservation cannot be made or something like that. So this is how it works. Count and delete and another things also added in this application. I'll just show you. If the guests leave the restaurant, we just click out, check out. Before it was 30, 20, now it is 17. So initial guests are checked out and that got minus. Before guest got minus. Now if we want to add another guest, suppose we can add like 3. Now I am adding 3, reserve. Now number of seats are 14. I'll add another one. I'll add remaining 14. Here number of seats left are 0. So now you cannot make any reservation. The restaurant is completely filled. If there is empty, if someone checks out, then now seats left are 3. Now you can make a reservation for three members or 3 or 2 or 1. Thank you. I am very happy to do this application very after completing just conditional statements and functions. I really did it by myself very after completing the topics. I am very happy to do this application. Thank you.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి Brolly Academy.